How to return items on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can return items on Shein. So first thing first, in order to return items on Shein, you'll have to make sure that you have already ordered a product, and then this also highly depends on the sellers. If the seller has enabled a return feature, then you'll only be able to do it so. Otherwise, you'll be charged with some certain amount of fine, or that you'll not be able to refund or whatsoever. Now then, to begin with, first of all, log in into your Shein account. Make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Now then, that you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the me icon located right at the bottom, and over here you'll be able to see my order. Go ahead and tap on view all next to it, and here you'll be able to see the order that you've made. And in order to return the item, you'll be able to find an option as return under the product. So all you have to do is just tap on the return button, and then you'll need to give a reason for returning the items. After that, you'll be provided with a confirmation stating that your order will be returned, and that's basically how you can return an item on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.